Hello, and thank you for purchasing Ventray's Masticating Juicer. In this video, we'll show you in 6 easy steps how to put your new juicer together. The first step is to take the juicing bowl and tightly push in the compression silicone. Secondly, align the white arrow on the side of the juicing bowl to the arrow on the motor base. Next, place the strainer inside of the rotation wiper. Place the strainer in the juicing bowl by matching the red dots on top of the strainer to the red dot on the outside of the juicing bowl located above the white arrow. Push in the juicing screw firmly until you hear a click. Make sure the screw is locked in place. Lastly, close the drum lid. Align the red dot on the lid to the one on the juicing bowl. Then slide it in clockwise as indicated. And there you have it. Your juicer is assembled and is ready to start juicing.